Here I have a order object in front of me. It's a silver stripe object. First let me fix something that looks nicer. I won't commit this, don't worry. As you can see, there are a lot of database fields. But the problem with silver stripe is those database fields aren't accessible in any other object or page. Let's, for example, take the home page. Here we have the function order link. We're gonna create a new function, public function. This is for testing. We'll just have it return the first order. So orders is order get. Whoa, minus typo. As you can see, yeah, it kinda works. Okay, we can do first. Works. The first order is the first. But first order, we only have class name, created, ID and last edited. But as you can see in the object, we also have date, total price, total etc, etc, etc. To solve this, we can use annotations, or actually PHP doc blocks, sorry. Typing PHP doc blocks is annoying, and well, yeah, it takes a lot of time to do things like this. I mean, who does this? Class order, add property, string date, add property, int total price, etc, etc, etc. Especially with these long database declarations, you'd be tired of it quite quickly. So, Martijn has come up with a solution. It's a module. It's called the IDE Annotator. It's grayed out because of the gitignore. Let me show it on Git. I need my own home page. Please work. Yes. It's on Axyr Silverstripe IDE Annotator. I am nowadays one of the owners. And what this does is it generates those doc blocks for you. As you can see, no useful doc blocks. Let's try it. Here we have the site we're talking about. It's famous now. I guess they are going to have a lot of visitors. We're gonna do a dev build flush is all. Just run it and wait until your laptop, computer, Sega Mega Drive, PlayStation, Xbox, whatever your server is running on is done. As you can see, it says a lot. Oh, it says a bug on homepage. Okay, homepage line 60. It's complaining about. It's complaining about this one. Yes, of course. Let's take here. Let's comment that out and try again. Sorry about that. And we should be fine now. Line 60 was the error. Yes. Go. Still go. Yes, a lot of blue stuff. It happens all the time. We have our database built. Great. Let's have a look. Ooh, looky. As you can see, all the property including, for example, the data list with a payment array is fixed, but also As you can see, extensions are fixed, payable is fixed, business is fixed. But for example, let's take order item. You can see it not only generates the method for the has1. Here we have the has1 relation card and the method card. It also generates the property card ID, so you can always address it. Now back to the fun part. As you can see, the first order, well, basically first order should be a order, I guess. This is not explicitly necessary, I think, but it's for readability and usability. As you can see, suddenly we have total price, billing, reference, company name, date, delivery, address equal to, invoice address, apparently, delivery city, etc, etc, etc. We have all our methods available. Suddenly, your IDE got a bit smarter thanks to the IDE Annotator. IDE Annotator, does it have bugs? Oh yes, it does. A well-known issue is with multiple classes in one page, or file. Also, it's very important to never ever run this on a live site. That's why on GitHub we advise in the config to use this method only in environment dev. This is very important. If you run this on live, you might destroy your file. Run data object annotator only in dev mode. It's okay to commit the results. It's just check the results, of course. It won't hurt your live environment to have the results, but don't have the live environment create them. That's why the caution is here. Unit tests are included. The config and everything. It's quite clear, I think. If you have any questions, that's okay. As you can see, we have a few issues like the owner with extensions. As I mentioned, multiple objects in one file. That's not important. That's not important. Not important. It will, although, add an extra doc block. So as you can see in my order class, I still have my original default created by PHP Storm doc block and a new generated. What you can do, however, is say at author Simon, that's my name. If you now run the data object annotator again, it will not replace that. It will only replace everything between the start generated and end generated tag. Well, that's it for how the data object annotator works. It saves you a lot of time and it will help your IDE auto-complete.